Installing a new door in your Talladega home is one of those projects that can instantly enhance curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and add security. However, even a high-quality door won't perform well if the installation isn't done correctly. Many homeowners and even some contractors fall into common pitfalls during the process. By knowing what to watch out for, you can save time, money, and frustration while ensuring your new door delivers the performance you expect. Ignoring proper measurements. One of the most frequent mistakes during door installation is failing to take accurate measurements. A door that is even slightly too large or too small can cause endless issues. It may stick, fail to close properly, or leave gaps that let in drafts. In Talladega, where hot summers make energy efficiency a priority, this can lead to higher utility bills. Always measure the width, height, and depth of the opening at multiple points to ensure a precise fit. Overlooking the door frame. Many people focus only on the door itself and forget that the frame plays a critical role. If the existing frame is warped, cracked, or out of square, simply installing a new door into it won't fix the problem. A faulty frame can compromise security and create gaps. Before installation, inspect the frame carefully and make any necessary repairs or replacements. Skipping weatherproofing. Talladega experiences its fair share of heavy rains and humidity, making weatherproofing an essential step. Skipping the installation of flashing, sealant, or weather stripping can result in leaks, water damage, and mold growth. Proper sealing around the door prevents moisture intrusion, keeps indoor air comfortable, and reduces the workload on your HVAC system. Using the wrong tools or materials. Door installation requires the right tools and hardware. Using screws that are too short, hinges that aren't strong enough, or low-quality shims can lead to a poor fit and instability. Cutting corners on materials might save a little money up front, but it often results in costly repairs later. It's always best to invest in sturdy hardware designed for your specific door type and weight. Failing to check alignment. A door that isn't level or plumb can cause significant issues. Misaligned doors may swing open on their own, rub against the frame, or refuse to latch securely. During installation, use a level to ensure the door sits squarely within the opening. Taking extra time to adjust shims and hinges makes a big difference in long-term performance. Rushing the installation process. Whether you're installing an entry door, a patio slider, or an interior door, rushing through the project almost guarantees mistakes. Skipping steps, neglecting adjustments, or failing to double-check your work often leads to bigger problems later. A careful, step-by-step approach ensures your door functions smoothly and lasts for years. Forgetting about security features. For entry doors especially, security should never be an afterthought. Using weak screws in strike plates, failing to reinforce the frame, or neglecting deadbolt installation leaves your home vulnerable. In Talladega, where peace of mind is priceless, reinforcing your door with high-quality locks and hardware is a must. Not hiring a professional when needed. Some homeowners attempt door installation as a DIY project, which can work well for experienced individuals. However, many installations, especially for exterior doors or custom sizes, require professional expertise. Hiring a local Talladega door installation expert ensures the job is done right, avoids costly mistakes, and provides warranties for added protection. Final thoughts. Door installation may seem straightforward, but small errors can have big consequences. From higher energy bills and water damage to poor security and premature wear, mistakes are costly in the long run. By avoiding common pitfalls, like inaccurate measurements, improper sealing, or rushed installation, you'll enjoy a secure, efficient, and beautiful door that enhances your Talladega home. If you're planning a door installation and want peace of mind, consider consulting a local professional. Their experience and knowledge can help you sidestep these mistakes and ensure your investment pays off for years to come.